This is Minesh Bakshi, and I have a great idea for all of us to help those local businesses which have been suffering. Most of them have been closed down, and some of them have been operating at a very small capacity, which means what? The revenue is not there for them. So, would you like to learn how you can help them easily in a very simple manner, quickly? So, here is all it takes. See, the biggest problem these businesses, whether it's a local restaurant, nail salon, hair salon, and you can see my hair needs trimming as well, right? So, there are all these businesses which have been operating at very low capacity or not operating at all. And what is the biggest problem they have? They don't have cash flow, they don't have revenue coming in. So even if it is a dentist office is closed, and guess what? There is no revenue. So if that is the case, what can you and I do? So here is a simple idea that I would like it to go viral in every community so that these businesses can sustain themselves and actually go back to thriving like they were once doing as well. So here is the simple idea. I know I'm going to do this. Will you do this? So let me explain. You and I know that some of us have been very blessed. We make decent income. Most likely some of us have good savings, while some other people are not doing well because their business just could not operate. I've been independently working for a long time, and I haven't really had to worry about in terms of like a hair salon. You have to open the salon, people come in and do that. I haven't had to worry about that kind of a business. So I understand that their challenges are very unique to their business. And similarly, my in-laws used to own a Chinese restaurant called Kim's Restaurant, and they couldn't have had any dine-in. Like most of these restaurants don't have dine-in capability, which would hurt their revenue. All I'm trying to tell you is a lot of businesses are hurting. They don't have the cash flow. They need revenue. So what can you and I do? Here is what you and I can do. The first thing which I will be doing for these businesses is I'm going to make a list of businesses that I know I'm going to frequent in the next few days, few weeks, and I will go ahead and buy gift certificate in advance. So I will not wait. So for example, there is a restaurant that you like, and this is a restaurant that you go quite often to, and you think those provide good service, but they have been operating without dine-in right now, correct? So you understand that. Now, if I know I will be going there anyway, I just go show up on the first day that they're open and then say, hey, I would like to buy a gift certificate, and you can pick the amount you want, right? And you buy gift certificates so that what happens is they get cash infusion into their business. I'm calling this the local business stimulus plan. This is not from government or any big body. This is from you and me. We are the ones helping create that stimulation in that particular community. So all I ask you to do is make a list of the businesses that you know you will be frequenting in the next few days, few weeks. Go to them and buy a gift certificate now. Now, some of them may not be open. You may have to get in touch. Maybe they have an online class presence. You buy a gift certificate now. And guess what will happen? They will be able to have some cash coming in. They can take care of some of the bills that have been pending, and they can be ready to open and give you the service you want. They can survive and really do a good job, because that will remove uncertainty in cash flow for them. The biggest thing that kills a lot of businesses and economy is uncertainty. You don't know if you'll make money. Guess what? This is a very simple idea, and I want you to make it go viral. Share it everywhere you can, because if you care about local business, let us go and give them that cash just from a very simple exercise. Buy gift certificates now. Buy gift certificates now. I will do my part. Will you? I hope you join me. Thank you.